video, the very first video of World of Warships is, as you can see, we are playing as the hashtag, and then we are Spartan. You can see the little oh god, Patrick. Oops. Shit. That was like I did that on the screen and it fired out 4 bullets. Probably have one okay, let's oh god. Shoot. Can I just set on fire? Patrick, the very first hit I took, set on fire already. Very first hit, very first flame. Wow, okay. I should start freaking around. Oh shoot. Dude, look how many, there's 3 of them. Are you insane? Wait. Lucky shot.
If it's gonna be a lucky shot. Oh,
double.
Yeah. You almost took. Oh, he shot you.
Set on fire again. Same like frick.
They're gonna say you're on fire soon, though.
No, they're gonna take me out. This guy is. This is so awesome though. Double hits. Gonna make it, yes! One of them is both 4 of them. I just repaired that. Fudge you. I'm definitely going for that 4.3 though. Like, there's no way I'm wrong. What the? Okay, there we go. I would have taken like the last hit.
He's already dead.
Yeah, but like, if I can't get any faster. Cause oh god, double hits, critical hit. It depends on where you hit the ship. Oh, what?
Where is the thing that is the most strongest?
What thing? I have no clue. It just depends on where you hit the ship. Something like that, about 3,000 damage on someone's ship. Oh, wait, oh, okay, here we go. Oh, one of them hit. Bullseye.
And if you want to play this game, it's for free.
Dude, I have
It
this
takes
game.
like forever to download it.
Patrick, I have this game.
I know. I'm asking you to watch me. You shoot at him.
Oh, all those side hits. No! I hate these people. These people keep taking my kills, by the way. Oh, let's just repair it. Worse stuff. Okay, thank goodness that thing was repaired or something like this. I'm freaking oh, their thing is ready. Torpedoes out in the water. Oh yeah, he's sunk. Who's that? The guy in the water. Oh, he destroyed him.
Who's the guy underwater?
That's the destroyer. That can shoot fire torpedoes. We don't have this kind of ship. If we go, I can show you. You want to make it on the video so people can see?
No.
Oh, they're all gone. Dude, Patrick. The very first shot that I took, the bullet that I was actually watching go, like, you know, the one that landed into the ship, it set a fire the first thing it landed.
Wow.
I'm like, frick yeah. I'm gonna go try to protect my friends over here. Trying to cap this point. I'm just way too far out. Like, oh, what? Mm. Balloon tower defense. Getting in range. But you kilometers. Patrick, last shots taken. Are you freaking insane? I have sunk none of these ships. Back up, buddy, back up. You ain't got no beat the poop, man. Oh, those are gonna go. I'm thinking just of, yeah, just of. We won. Well, that, as you can see, was the very first battle we have done. It is early in the morning, as you can see. I'm a little bit touting differently, a little bit quietly, if you can't see. But as we saw, like, we we destroyed a lot of ships. So, but we didn't destroy them. Teammates did. We actually helped by doing 20 hits, 3 flames, 10,000 points, and 170 ship experience. Patrick, should we just battle on? Hi, welcome back, everyone. Here back with another little World of Warships little battle. As I just ended other one that I have no clue what these little guys talking about. Like, what the? Okay, let's see where we can fire. Can we hit the? Oh, that was bad. Um. Sound. So we have finished. We have skipped to the very end. But in total, we have 3 destroyed, 3 set on fire, 3 fires for 3 each of the ships, 3 destroyed ships, 3 I have no clue what those indications are. But I did like 3 really critical hits and I got 60 target hits. So I'll see you in the next video and peace.